In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Customer.io. We'll go from getting started to bringing in your data, setting up channels, targeting the right audience, and finally building an automated campaign you can launch with confidence. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Customer.io. Head to the official site, then click Start Trial. Follow the prompts to create your account and complete registration. Once you're in, you'll land in the workspace where everything revolves around your customer data. Customer.io is powered by two key concepts: attributes and events. Attributes are things you know about a person, such as their first name, email, or interests. Events are the actions a person takes, like signed up, purchased item, or abandoned cart. Keeping these clean and consistent will make everything else you do more effective. There are a couple of common ways to add data. The first is to integrate with your app or website using Customer.io's SDKs. For sites, the JavaScript library captures user behavior in real time, so you can react instantly to what people do. Follow the documentation for your platform and confirm events and attributes are appearing as expected. The second option is to upload a CSV file to manually add a list of people with their attributes. This is great for getting started quickly or importing existing contacts. Next, set up your messaging channels. For email, add and verify the sending domains and the from addresses you plan to use. Verification ensures deliverability and helps your messages land in the inbox. If you want in-app or push notifications, install the appropriate SDKs in your website or mobile app so Customer.io can deliver those messages and track engagement. With data flowing and channels ready, create segments. Segments are dynamic groups of people who meet criteria you define, and they're essential for targeting. For example, you can build a cart abandoners segment for people who triggered the added to cart event but never triggered the purchased event. As people's behavior changes, they'll automatically enter or leave the segment. Now, build an automated campaign. Start by setting a trigger. This could be when someone joins a segment, performs a specific event, or reaches a particular date. Design the workflow by dragging actions onto the canvas. Send an email or SMS, add a time delay, and branch logic based on behavior. Personalize your messages using Liquid to insert attributes, like a first name, directly into the content. Preview your messages to make sure personalization looks right. Finally, review and launch. Test the workflow, check your links and timing, and confirm your events and segments are working. When everything looks good, start the campaign and monitor performance to iterate over time.